Hi, welcome back once again. I'm welcoming you all to this beautiful online learning platform, Unacademy. Unacademy is the India's largest online learning platform. Now we are happy to announce that Unacademy is going to providing online training for GATE and Engineering Service Exams. GATE and Engineering Service Exams. Now you can crack GATE and ESE with India's largest learning platform. About myself, I G Venkata. I have 16 plus years of teaching experience. So far, I mentored more than 60,000 students for their GATE examination. At present, I am pursuing PhD from JNTU Kakinada, and my specialization is VLSI design. Now, here we check how to get Unacademy learning app into your device. Just go to Play Store, type Unacademy, then it will show the Unacademy learning app like this. By clicking on this install button, it will install the Unacademy learning app into your device. Now, so what you will get? So by joining Unacademy, what you will get? First and foremost thing is you have a daily live classes. Every day you have a live class. The intention to conduct everyday live class is to keep the student always in touch with the subject. That is the intention. Okay. And structured courses, live tests and quizzes, finally unlimited access. In daily live classes, you can chat with your educator, it means with your faculty, and you can engage in discussions. You can ask your doubts and can answer the polls. You can perform all these things while class is going on. Okay. After that, structured courses. All our courses are structured in line with your exam syllabus. All our courses are structured in line with your exam syllabus. Okay, now whatever the courses you are taking, and all the courses are with your syllabus, it is structured well. That means first what subject, after that what subject, after that what subject. It is planned in a well organized manner. Okay, now it is very easy to the students for their preparation. After that, live tests and quizzes. Here you can evaluate your preparation with our regular mock tests and quizzes and get detailed analysis on your performance. So you can evaluate your preparation with our regular mock tests and quizzes and get detailed analysis on your performance. See, once you completed your preparation, you need to evaluate it. How much level it is, how much level you completed your preparation. For that, you can evaluate your preparation by attempting our regular mock tests and quizzes. And once you've written the exam and you attempted our mock tests and quizzes, okay, you get the detailed analysis on your performance in the tests. Next, unlimited access. Here, once you taken one subscription, you get the access to all our live and recorded courses to watch from the comfort of any of your devices. Okay. See, once you take a subscription, you can get all our live classes as well as recorded classes. Live as well as recorded. You get both these sessions. Okay. You can access that. And comfort of any of your device, you can view that in your mobile, laptop, desktop, tab, okay, whatever it is. Okay, you can access all those. These are the things you get by joining Unacademy. Okay, next, there are two subscriptions: iconic subscription and plus subscription. Plus subscription is the basic subscription. Plus subscription is the basic subscription. In this, you can, what are the things just before we explained: daily live classes, structured courses, live tests and quizzes, unlimited access. So you get all these things. You get all these things while class is going on. While class is going on. Okay. So you get all these things in plus subscription, and plus subscription is the basic subscription. In plus subscription, you get all these: daily live classes, structured courses, live tests and quizzes, unlimited access. Now, our topic is multi-stage amplifiers. Cascade, two-stage RC coupled amplifier we are going to. So first, already we completed some portion in that. Now, this is the procedure to analyze multi-stage amplifier. How to analyze a multi-stage amplifier we discuss here. First, identify the transistor configuration in each stage. After that, draw the medium frequency AC equivalent circuit. And after that, medium frequency means that is AC equivalent circuit, sir. AC equivalent circuit. And analyze each stage individually in reverse order. So from last order, we need to start our analysis from last order in multi-stage amplifiers. After that, perform overall analysis of multi-stage amplifier by following procedure. So this is the procedure to analyze the overall analysis, to do the overall analysis. So these are the multi-stages: first stage, second stage, nth stage. In that case, overall input impedance is RA dash. Overall input impedance is RA dash, which is a RA dash of first stage amplifier. What are the first stage we have? What are the input impedance of this first stage? That is the overall input resistance. After that, R0, overall output resistance. R0 dash is the R0 dash of last stage amplifier. Last stage amplifier output impedance, that is. Okay. And after that, overall voltage gain. So overall voltage gain AV is simply multiplication of individual voltage gains, AV1, AV2, AV up to AVN. After that, overall current gain. See, overall current gain is, we are calculating like this. Simply current gain is voltage gain. So we know AV equal to AI into RL dash by RI. Do one thing. So we calculate overall, just a minute. Sorry. Now, see here. So there is an equation for AV and AI. Okay. In general, what are the procedure you followed here? The same procedure you need to follow. Due to biasing resistors, your current gain is different. Okay. So in practical problems, we check it, how to calculate that. Now, for every stage, for every multi-stage amplifier, you need to do these things. First, circuit diagram. After that, AC equivalent circuit. Next, analysis of last stage. Analysis of first stage. After that, overall analysis. This is the order we need to follow to analyze a multi-stage amplifier. So here I am taking cascade stage, that is two-stage RC coupled amplifier, CE followed by CE. This is the circuit diagram. Two-stage CE followed by CE. And AC equivalent circuit. After that, I done the analysis on second stage. After that, first stage analysis. Now overall analysis. See here, you observed or not, overall current gain is minus IC2 by I1, IB1. From this we can write minus IC2 by IB2, IB2 by IC1, IC1 by IB1. So finally we get this like this. This is the overall current gain. By simplifying all this, you get this overall current gain. AI1 into AI2 into RC1 dash by RC1 dash plus RI2. See this. Due to biasing resistors, your overall current gain is less than the multiplication of individual current gains. Okay, because of this biasing resistors. Okay, so that is the portion we completed morning. Now I am going to take a problem on this issue, on this multi-stage amplifier. Okay, now I am taking the problem. So I am taking a problem. First, properly biased transistor. This is the first stage. I am copying the same. Now, so this is plus VCC. I am giving input here. Input. Okay, do one thing. Let us add source resistance also to this. Let us take a source resistance of 1 kilo ohm and source voltage Vs. Okay, and let us take it is a 47k. So it is a 33k. Is 2k. Is 270 ohms. So it is 5k. So, and the output of this is connected to the input of this. Here, this is 56k. And it is 27k. It is 1k. Here I am using one bypass capacitor. Here I am taking output and connecting a load, external load 5k. So this is 4 kilo ohms. Okay. Now you observed or not, this is CE amplifier second stage. This is also CE amplifier first stage. But the difference is this is CE with bimeter resistance. This is CE without emitter resistance. That means CE without bypass capacitors. This is CE with bypass capacitor. and I'm giving values also to you. Just use HFE 50, HIE 2 kilo ohms, and HOE 20 micromole. Okay, so calculate all parameters. Now see this, it is 4K parallel with 5K, 5 kilo ohm. Now this is a CE followed by CE. Now this is a CE with RE, with RE. Okay, so whatever the values we are using for CE with RE, you can use those values for this. Okay, I'm going to starting the analysis, and first I'm taking AC equivalent circuit of this. Okay, now AC equivalent circuit. AC equivalent circuit. Okay, for AC equivalent circuit, see this, first CE stage, there is no emitter bypass capacitor, that's why emitter resistance is present. C1, emitter 1, base 1 connected to R ground through RB1, and this is RS VS. This is 1 kilo ohm they given, and the resistance of this RB is, this is RB1. Okay, and it is 270 ohms. C1 connected to ground through RC1, that is 5 kilo ohms. After that, it is connected to the input of base of next one. Here emitter 2 connected to ground, collector 2 it is, collector 2 connected to ground through 4 kilo ohms, RC2. After that, external load 5 kilo ohms, there we have. So it is emitter 2, collector 2, base 2, and at base 2 we have a biasing resistor RB2, biasing resistor RB2. Okay, so now in this I'm going to be calculating first RB1 and RB2. So RB1 is 447 kilo ohms parallel with 33 kilo ohms. So RB1 is 47 kilo ohms parallel with 33 kilo ohms. Similarly, RB2 value is 56K parallel with 27K. 27K. Just calculate the values first. So it is 47 into 33 divided by 80. That is 19.3 kilo ohms. So RB2 56 into 27 divided by 83, that is 18.2 kilo ohms. Now these are the resistance values. It is 19.3K, it is 18.2K. Okay, now first we need to calculate load RL2 dash, because it is IC2 minus IC2. This is RL2 dash. Now RL2 dash is, RL2 is load, second stage load RL2 is 4K parallel with 5K. Okay, that is 20 divided by 9, 2.2K, and it is less than 4 kilo ohms. Then we go for approximate model. Therefore we go for approximate model. Okay, so we are using approximate simply. Approximate analysis. Okay, now, so we know the approximate analysis of CE stage. So this is a second stage, this is first stage. Now RL2 is 2.22K. Now I am going to second stage analysis. Input impedance of second stage RI2 is HIE. AI2 is minus HFE. AV2 is AI2 into RL2 by RI2. After that, R02 is infinity, and R02 dash is RL2. Simply, it is 2.2 kilo ohms, because this is nothing but a R02 parallel with RL2. That's it. It is infinity. Now just write the value. They given it as 2 kilo ohms. They given it as 50 minus 50. Now it is minus 50 into RL2 is 2.22K divided by RI2, 2K. Now it is 55.55 minus 55.55. This is the analysis of second stage. Now I am going to analysis of first stage. Analysis of first stage. For first stage analysis, first you should know RL1, which is nothing but the resistance connected between collector to emitter 1, collector 1 to emitter 1, collector 1 to emitter 1, emitter 1. It is RI2, we know that. Now this is 5K parallel with 18.2 kilo ohms parallel with RI2. These three resistors are parallel. Okay, so 5K parallel with 18.2K parallel with RI2. Okay, so now it is 5K parallel with 18.2K parallel with RI2 is 2.22K. Now I am calculating one by one. First I am going to calculating this. 5 into 18.2 divided by 23.2, that is 3.92. 3.92k parallel with 2.22k into 2.22, 8.7 divided by 3.9, 2.2 by 6.14, that is 1.4 kilo ohms. Just we calculated load. Again it is also less than 4 kilo ohms. Therefore we use approximate model, approximate analysis. Okay, but this is first stage is CE with emitter resistance, CE with emitter resistance with RA. Okay, now I am going to using those values, those equations. So it is first stage and RL1 1.4 kilo ohms. Its input impedance is HIE plus 1 plus HFE into RE, RE1. Okay, now just I'm going, okay, after that current gain AI1 no change minus HFE, voltage gain AV, which is approximately RC1 by RE1 approximately minus of. Okay, now just calculate the values. HIE 2k plus 1 plus HFE 50 into RE1 270 ohms. Now calculate the value. 51 into 270 plus 2000, that is 15.7k. It is minus 50 and it is, this is approximate value, we know that, minus 5k by 270. So 5000 divided by 270, it is 18.5, minus 18.5. And one more thing, I am calculating RA dash also, RA dash also, which is RI1 parallel with RI1 dash, RI1 parallel with RB1, 15.7k parallel with RB1. So your RB1 value is 19.3 kilo ohms. 19.3 kilo ohms. Okay, so it is 15.7 into 19.3 divided by 35, that is 8.65 kilo ohms. And if you want, you can calculate RIS also, RIS, RS plus RI1 dash, which is 1k plus 8.65k, that is 9.65 kilo ohms, 9.65 kilo ohms. Okay, so these are the parameters, and R01 is infinity. Now I am going to overall analysis. Overall analysis. Overall analysis. So overall analysis is the overall input impedance is, or the input impedance of multi-stage amplifier is impedance of multi-stage amplifier is Ri1 dash. Next, the output impedance of multi-stage amplifier is R02 dash, and overall voltage gain is AV, which is AV1 into AV2. Simple. Next, just write down the values. Ri1 dash, R02 dash, those things. Ri1 dash 8.65 kilo ohms, 8.65 kilo ohms. Next, R02 dash, which is 2.2 kilo ohms. Overall voltage gain, first gain into second gain, it is minus 18.5. Second one is minus 55.55. Minus 18.5 into minus 55.55. That is 18.5 into 55.55. That is a 1027.6. 1027.6. That is the overall voltage gain. Next, current gain. Overall current gain. Current gain. So overall current gain, for that I am going to taking the some part of the circuit here. I want C1. So from C1 to ground we have 5 kilo ohms, and this is RB1, RB2, this is base 2, this is the RI2, RB2, and we know that this is the current minus IC1, this is IB2. So this circuit is required to us, and RB2 value is, so RB2 18.2K, 18.2K, and RI2 is 2K, 18.2K, and it is 2K. Now just I am taking the equivalent circuit of this. These two are parallel. So it is C1 minus IC1, IB2. It is 2 kilo ohms, 5K parallel with 18.2. Therefore 5 into 18.2 divided by 23.2, that is 3.9k. 3.9k. Now from this we can write IB2 value is minus IC2 into 3.9k divided by 3.9k plus 3.9k plus 2k. So which is, from this we get IB2 by IC2 is 3.9k by 5.9k. It is 0.66 minus 0.66. Just keep it. So overall current gain is, we can write final output current is a minus IC2 and input current is IB1. So now we need, so minus IC2 by, in between, from, if you coming back after IC2 we have IB2, so by IB2 into, to compensate this I am multiplying with IB2 divided by, and after this IB2 we have IC1, so IC1, to compensate this IC1 divided by, and after that we have IB, sorry is IB1. IB1. This is the overall current gain, and we know that this value, its value is AI2 and it is minus AI1, and the value of IB2 by IC1 just before we calculated. IB2 by IC1, sorry, it is IC1, sir. IB2 by IC1. Now just substitute the values. Therefore overall current gain is minus AI2 into minus AI1 into minus 0.66. Therefore it is AI1 into AI2 into 0.66. Just add the values, AI1 and AI2. So AI2 is minus 50, AI1 also minus 50. So both are 50s. So 50 into 50, it is minus plus into 0.66. 0.66, that is 1650. That is the current gain. Okay, so like this you need to analyze the circuit diagram. Okay, this is the procedure to analyze a multi-stage amplifier. Same thing we are going to take in case of FET. Okay, so now I am taking the FET amplifiers, FET cascade stage. So JFET cascade stage. Cascade. So JFET cascade, it means common source followed by common source. Simple. Take the first biased FET. So this is the second one. Just join both plus VDD. So at here I am going to giving input, here taking output, RD2, RD1. So here is bypass capacitor, okay, RS2, RS1. So R1, R2, R1 dash, R2 dash. Output of this connected to the input of the next stage through a capacitor. Over. Circuit diagram is over. See how simple it is. Once you are thorough with properly biased circuit, then you can easily draw everything. Okay. Now I am going to writing its small signal equivalent. That means, sorry, first I am taking AC equivalent. AC equivalent of this. So AC equivalent circuit. AC equivalent circuit. Now in this AC equivalent, first source 1, drain, it is source, it is gate. Now just I am copying this. So gate 1, drain 1, source 1, gate 2, drain 2, source 2. So it is common source. So source 1 is connected to ground, source 2 also connected to ground. At drain 1 we have RD1. See how simple it is. And gate 1 we have, gate 2 we have RG2, gate 1 we have RG1. At drain 2 we have RD2. Just connect this, output of this connecting to input of this, and here I am going to applying input, here taking output. Very simple. Okay, so this is the overall AC equivalent circuit of that amplifier. Now I am going to analyzing this. Now so this is our circuit. Now I am going to analyzing second stage first. First I am doing the analysis of second stage. Don't forget that it is a common source followed by common source. Second stage is a common source. For this it is acting as a load. RL2 is RD2. RL2 is RD2. That is the acting as a load to this. Next. Now I am going to writing one by one. So no need to go for current gain, because current gain is a default in infinity. Okay. Right, input impedance, it is also in infinity. Ri to infinity. current gain AI to infinity, voltage gain AV2, simple it is minus GM into RD2 parallel with RL2, simple. So it is minus GM2 because second device it is second MOSFET. It is first, it is second. GM2 into RD2 parallel with R capital RD2, simple. Fourth one R02. So R02 is RD2 and R02 dash is RD2 parallel with capital RD2. Here you get R02. This is R02 dash. This is the output impedance of multi-stage amplifier. This is the analysis of second stage. Now I am going to first stage. First stage also common source stage. Now here is its input impedance Ri2. It is infinity. And one more thing, sir. Rg1 and Rg2 is a parallel combination of those resistors. R1 parallel with R2 and Rg2 is R1 dash parallel with R2 dash. Now analysis of second stage. First Ri1, it is infinity because of gate current 0. Next AI1, again infinity. Third one AV1 minus GM1 into, sorry, first you need to write RL1, sir. RL1 is output of this one. It is RD1 parallel with RG2. RD1 parallel with RG2 parallel with RI2. So it is simply RD1 parallel with RG2. So minus GM1 is small RD1 drain to source resistance parallel with RL1. That is voltage gain. Fourth one is R01. So R01 is simple RD1. We don't want much information about this. And I am calculating RI1 dash also. This is RI1. It is RI1 dash, which is RG1. Because RI1 parallel with RG1. Parallel combination of these two. RI1 parallel with RG1. But RI1 is infinity. Once it is infinity, infinity parallel with RG1 is RG1 itself. This is the analysis of individual stages. Now I am going to overall analysis. Overall analysis. Now first, the input impedance of multi-stage amplifier is RI1 dash. Second one, the output impedance of multi-stage amplifier is R02 dash. Overall voltage gain. Overall voltage gain. AV is AV1 into AV2. And overall current gain is infinity. Infinity. That's it. This is the data. Okay. This is the overall information. Like this, you need to analyze the multi-stage amplifier. Okay. Any multi-stage amplifier you can take, just follow this procedure. See here. So here are the some of the top educators from Unacademy. Tiwari sir, he is IIT topper and he has 7 years of GATE and ESE teaching experience. And he is the author of the book GATE in 75 Days for mechanical students. Next, Ankit Goyal sir, he obtained All India first rank twice in GATE Electrical and he was awarded President of India Gold Medal in IIT Indore. He teaches electrical and electronics engineering. Next, Sanchit Jain sir is a computer science faculty having a teaching experience of more than 8 years and he is having very sound experience in teaching the students. Jaspal Singh sir, he is ex-IAS officer. His rank is All India 4th rank. He is a scientist, GATE, State Service Exams and PSU topper, ex-senior GATE ESE faculty. He has teaching experience of more than 12 years. And here are the few more top educators from Unacademy. Here are few more. And these are the different courses, engineering courses available in Unacademy is ECE, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Computer Science and IT Department, Instrumentation Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Production and Industrial Engineering. These are the different engineering disciplines. Now, there are two different plans. One is Plus Plan, another one is Iconic Plan in Unacademy. In Plus Plan, India's best educators are handling your subjects. Interactive live classes are there. Structured courses and PDFs, live tests and quizzes. In Iconic also we get the same thing. In Iconic also you get the same thing. India's best educators handling your subjects, interactive live classes, structured courses and PDFs and live tests and quizzes. Same thing. But here, once you've written the test, it is going to be forwarded to your personal coach. Your personal coach is going to do the personalized test analysis on this. After that, they will forward that one for, they prepare a proper study plan for that, and based on the, at the same time, they will forward the respective study material to you. By following these two, every student can get success in their examinations. There are two plans basically, Plus Plan and Iconic Plan, we mentioned already. In Plus Plan, different subscriptions, 1 month subscription, 3 month subscription, 1 year, 6 month subscription, 1 year subscription, 1.5 year and 2 year subscription. And here the beauty is EMI option also available. Now, as a faculty, I recommend the students to take minimum of 1 year subscription. Because this 1 year is required to you to complete the preparation of all these subjects and to write the more number of examinations and to identify the gaps in your preparation and to fulfill those gaps. What you need to do all these things, you need minimum of 1 year time. And by using my code VROW10, you get it by a 10% discount. Next, Iconic Plan. In Iconic Plan, it is available in two subscriptions, 1 year subscription and 2 year subscription. For 1 year, it is 50,250, and by using my code, you get it by 10% discount. And the beauty is, here also EMI option is available. Don't forget to use my code VROW10 during subscription. Okay, see, for 2 years it is 74,000. After my using code, it became 66,600 rupees only. Okay. Now, don't forget to use my code VIRA10 during subscription. Hit the bell icon for getting notifications. Don't forget to subscribe us. Please give your valuable comments on YouTube. So join our Telegram group for latest updates on our upcoming videos. So once again, I'm thanking one and all for spending your valuable time with us. Thank you very much. And once again, I'm welcoming you all to this beautiful online learning platform, Unacademy. Thank you.